Engine Fault Code P2097 indicates a post-catalyst fuel trim system 2 rich condition on bank 1. This means the engine control module ECM detects excessive fuel richness after the catalytic converter. The ECM uses oxygen sensors before and after the converter to monitor fuel trim. A lean reading, low oxygen, by the downstream sensor triggers P2097, suggesting the catalyst isn't properly converting excess fuel. Normal post-catalyst sensor voltage ranges from 0.1 to 0.9 volts. Deviations indicate an issue. Ignoring this code can lead to catalytic converter damage and costly repairs. P2097 often shows through several common symptoms. These include a check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, rough idling where the engine runs unevenly, and reduced fuel efficiency causing lower mileage per gallon. To diagnose P2097, start with an OBD-II scanner to read the trouble code. Check the freeze frame data for key parameters like engine load and coolant temperature, which provide clues about when the fault occurred. Focus on fuel trim values. Short-term fuel trim STFT and long-term fuel trim LTFT over 25% indicate a rich condition, meaning too much fuel is being delivered relative to air. Common causes include faulty oxygen sensors, which are the most frequent trigger. Other causes are catalytic converter degradation, fuel system leaks, or injector problems that create rich conditions. Start by inspecting and replacing oxygen sensors. If the issue persists, test the catalytic converter or diagnose the fuel system and injectors. In some cases, software updates from the manufacturer can resolve false positives.